So we're told that the area of the entire figure below is 1 square unit, so that's this square right over here. And then we see the square shaded in very interesting ways. It looks like we have this purple column shaded in, and then we have these 3 blue rows shaded in, and then this little pattern here looks like the overlap of those two. And what I will tell you is that this is an area model that's representing the multiplication of 2 fractions. And what I want you to figure out, pause this video and see if you can figure out what 2 fractions we are multiplying, and then you can even think about what is the product of those 2 fractions based on the area model. Okay, now let's think about this together. So first, let's just think about what this purple column that is shaded in, what this represents right over here relative to the whole. Well, we could see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these equal columns. They're each a fifth of the whole. So that's a fifth, that's a fifth, that's a fifth, and then that's a fifth, and then that's a fifth. I'm talking about the entire columns here, not just each of those rectangles. And so our first one represents a fifth. Now let's think about the rows here. So each of these rows, we can see that we have 4 equal rows. So that's 1, we have 2, we have 3, and then we have 4 equal rows. So each of these are a fourth. But if we think about the entire blue region that's shaded in, it's 3 of those rows. So it is 3/4. And the overlap between the two, this right over here, let me do that in another color. The overlap, this right over here, this is essentially where you're multiplying this 3/4 times this 1/5. And so what we could say is this overlap is 3/4 times 1/5. We could also write it as 1/5 times 3/4. And if we want to think about what that is, we just have to say, look, the whole is now split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 equal rectangles. And you could have also said, hey, there's just 4 rows of 5 here. 4 times 5 is 20. So each of these are a 20th, and we have 1, 2, 3 of those 20ths filled in. So this is going to be equal to 3/20.